You guys, I am starting off with a bald head and I'm using this wig cap that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm just gonna comb my pixie cut. Y'all, it took like, it hurt me so bad to comb this out because I was like, yeah, it's waves. But anyway, I'm just gonna comb it down, and I'm gonna take the dimming brush and I'm gonna brush it down as well, just because I am going to be putting that on my edges. I don't really like to put the got to be glued on my edges. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking some natural oil just to protect my hair underneath the wig cap, and I'm just going to put that all over my hair. And then I'm going to take the stocking cap and put it on. Now we're going in with the got to be glued, ultra glued in the black bottle. I really like this one. I haven't even tried the yellow bottle, but this one dries really quick, and I need that because I'm impatient and this takes forever to dry. But yeah, so we're gonna go put that all on our hairline. Try to get as close to the hairline as possible. And then we're just going to take the blow dryer and just blow dry it until it is dry. And this will take a while, so just be patient, have your phone out, whatever you need to do. So this is the hardest part for me. I'm not exactly sure why. I don't know if it's because I have some dull scissors, but yeah, I always have trouble cutting this cap. What you want to do is just cut as close to the hairline as possible. And you definitely want it to mimic your actual like hairline. So whenever you're cutting, just keep that in mind. I like to keep my sides out, so you won't see that underneath the cap. Now any little pieces that are sticking up, you just want to put some more got to be glued on there and just blow dry it. So now I'm going to be taking a beauty blender and I'm going to be putting makeup on the cap. Like I said, this cap is so light, but I really like it because it's so comfortable. So I want it to mimic a scalp or like my actual skin tone. So I'm just going to be taking that and putting it like halfway through, not all the way. And I like to take Sea Breeze and actually just put it on the areas where it's just like an extra glue that doesn't need to be there. So yeah, I find that it works best. But you can take water and soap as well, and that works. But just try not to get it on the cap so it won't lift up, you know, because that's horrible. Yes, it's time to put her on. She is looking gorgeous and ready to be slayed. So I just want to put out a little disclaimer. Like, if you have a hairline like mine or similar to mine, it will be a little bit challenging for a lace frontal to go on you because it's not going to fit your head, and also your hair, some of your hair is going to has to be out. Like, it's not possible for you to have all your hair not out, if that makes sense. So it's already too much going on, so I don't want it to be too much. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is just take some water, and I am going to cut the excess cap off that I don't need, because I was like, oh, it's not working out, it's not fitting. So I'm just going to take some water because it easily lifts up with water, and then I'm going to take a rat tail and just slide it underneath there and just cut the cap off. And so now I'm just going to work in section and put the got to be glued on my hairline and use the blow dryer to get it tacky. And then I'm just going to place it there and use a rat tail comb to press it into my skin. And like I mentioned, y'all, it just melts like butter. So I wanted like a deep side part and for it to have that wet look. So I'm just taking a water bottle and I'm just going to spray it on the part and like around the edges. Please be careful with the water bottle, because if you get it on the cap, I promise you it will lift up. Like, all it takes is water and the glue is gone. Now I know some people may not be a fan of baby hair, but I'm just gonna do it because I want to be extra, and I also want it to look a little bit more natural. Now, you don't have to go as dramatic with your baby hairs, but yeah, I'm just doing it. So I'm just gonna show you how I do my baby hair, and we're gonna be done with this look, y'all. It is so perfect for Valentine's Day. For this hair, you'll be looking so cute and just extra. So yes, and with the red lip, ooh, yes, honey. Take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden. I'm taking my own freedom, putting it in my song, singing loud and strong, moving. L Vibe Extraordinary Oil. This is a lightweight oil, and it helps reduce frizz in the hair, and it's also for damaged hair. So I'm just going to be scrunching that in there, and this will be the finished look, you guys.